A very good morning, students. Today we are going to do blends with double O. So there are two types. First type is long oo sound. So with this, first word is spoon. You can see in this double O sound is extended. Food, which we eat. We should eat healthy food. Zoo, where all the animals live together. Moon, which you see during the night. Next word is cool, when you wear a attire and you look cool. Get well soon, that means you are wishing to get well early. Roof, the top of the house is called a roof. Zoom means enlarged. Boot, which you wear during winters or rainy season. Coming on to the short oo sound. And the first word with short oo sound is foot, with which you walk. Book, which is used to study. Wood, which is used for burning or making wooden things. Hood, a cloth with a cap. Look, when you see something. Good, good means something nice. Thank you.